teacher is responsible for all his pupils. To be a teacher means to share knowledge with your children. It is an indescribable feeling when children come to you and tell, "Thank you for the lesson." To be a teacher is to be a student all life. I'm going to improve my knowledge in order to teach children and answer their questions correctly. I strongly feel that the profession of a teacher is one of the most important professions in the world. He or she should always encourage their inner development, protect them from any negative influence, and watch their progress carefully. Nowadays, new technologies and methods are appearing, and teachers need to be able to use them. That is why a teacher is not only a teacher, but also a student. And of course, teachers should love children. I really love to work with children. For me, it's enjoyable, interesting, and useful because I can learn something new from my pupils and share his knowledge. Therefore, I choose the profession of a teacher.
A teacher's responsibility is not only to educate a child. He or she should also understand pupils' feelings and dreams, share their problems, and give good advice. A real educator is a person who can inspire his pupils with interest and love for his or her subject. What is more, a teacher may even become as important for children as their parents. For any country, there is a future of success or the progress of their pupils lies in the school teacher's hand. What we become in our life, that also depends on a tutor. While explaining, he always tries to give the best information and related data to his students. Therefore, the teacher has an important part in our life to get succeed. His appreciation is very valuable as the most important person in our country development. Teacher is an essential profession because an accountant, president, doctor, dentist, engineer, pilot, singer, even a teacher get knowledge from the teacher. They all influenced by their tutors. I know that some prestigious and highly paid professions can become a heavy burden for many young people. Moreover, opting for the most common and not fashionable jobs, you can achieve very good results and get real satisfaction and sometimes the purpose of your life. I hope that I will succeed and I will never be disappointed about my choice.